हाय दोस्तों, आप सभी को स्वागत। ओडिशा इन लॉकडाउन, सो इफ़ यू वांटेड टू ट्रैवल फ्रॉम एनी अदर स्टेट टू ओडिशा, आपको पास लेना होगा। इट्स एन ऑनलाइन इंस्टेंट ट्रैवल पास। यू डोंट नीड टू वेट फॉर द पास, you can download the pass. I will show you how it is. Two more points to remember before applying. One is there is option to travel without RT-PCR or vaccination certificate. I will show you how it is. And also there was some problem receiving the OTP. I will show you how to overcome. So I request you to watch the video completely so that you will not face any problem while filling the application online. So you can do from mobile. I did from my mobile. You open a Google search page and search for covid19.odisha.gov.in and open this link. I will give this link in my video description also. Okay, just click here. You can see here this is Odisha government portal. You can close the pop-up here, and if you scroll down a little bit, where is the option? This is the option. Okay, registration for returning to Odisha from other state. That means any state you have to return to Odisha through road, you have to raise this pass. Click here, fill up form, border check post 2021. Click there. Once you click there, you get a page like this. Here you are going to fill up your information. Clearly they have given anyone who is traveling to Odisha by road is requested to fill up form, otherwise you cannot cross the check post. Okay, so let us see what are the things we have to fill. First you have to fill the lead traveler, that means who is applying for the pass, the main person. Enter his or her name. Now parents name, son or daughter of, as per the ID card you are having. Now next one, you give your mobile number. Please remember friends, mobile for OTP purpose is clearly given. That means if you are giving some wrong number, you will not get OTP, so you can't proceed. 1 point. Next, coming from which state? You can select any state from where you are going to travel. This is your main state. Okay, so that means you are coming from Karnataka to Telangana to Odisha. You select Telangana because you are going to cross border through Telangana, right? So you cross accordingly. You can even select Karnataka, so accordingly the border will change. You don't need to worry. So give your source of state perfectly from where you are going to start the journey. That will be better. For example, I start from Punjab. You can see here, accordingly the checkpost border automatically system shows you. So while driving from Punjab, which is the border you are going to cross, select it properly. Now next one is you have to select the date of travel, as you can see here. Okay, this is very important because when you are going to travel, click there, automatically the calendar will come. So you have to just select the date. You can see here I just selected 20th May and automatically the date has come. And friends, now you have to select the vehicle type: bus, LMV, car. Let me select car as my travel option. It's up to you. You have even two-wheeler option. Now enter your vehicle registration number. Okay, whatever vehicle you are traveling, properly enter the vehicle registration number because it will be checked at the border. So if it is wrong, you have problem. Now your destination address. Okay, from exactly which location in Odisha you are going to travel. First select your district in Odisha. You can see here district option is there. All the districts in Odisha is listed out. Please select the district accordingly. And after that you have two options under your district. Okay, block and ULB. So if you are in a local region, you can select block. If you are in city region, okay, municipality region, select ULB. Simple. Okay, I would suggest you first you select ULB and see whether your area is there. For example, if you select ULB, you have only 4 options because these are the main municipal areas in Odisha. Otherwise you select block. Okay, if you select block, you have got a lot of options. That means whichever not under municipality, all the other places are listed out. So select accordingly your place. And after ULB or block, it's up to you. For example, let us take an example, ULB Cuttack. And after that you have to select your ward number. You can see here all the ward numbers will be listed accordingly if it's a municipality. If it is a block, accordingly the area will be listed out. That you can select. Here you have to give your complete detailed address of Odisha, where you are traveling or staying in Odisha. Properly you have to give the complete address. Okay, do not miss anything because they may even check and follow up, and it's better to give as per your ID card. If you have some ID card on that address, please give accordingly. Now this is very important, another thing, document, very important, because while traveling 3 options you have. One is you travel with RT-PCR report. Okay, another is you travel with vaccination report. Now suppose you don't have both, you can even select none, but there are some conditions. I will show you what it is. Okay, so RT-PCR if you select, there is nothing, no pop-up, nothing. Vaccination also if you select, there is no message. But let us see, I don't have even vaccination certificate, RT-PCR, I select none, but you can see here there is automatically a message coming, what it is. So if you are having none of the certificate, you should go under home isolation for 7 days after reaching your place in Odisha. So this is the catch. Okay, so none is there means you have to travel to Odisha and go there for home isolation. Clearly it is given home isolation for 7 days, but that's okay, you can opt for it if you do not have either RT-PCR or vaccination certificate. Okay, now next one is number of fellow travelers. You have option even to enter 0. If you are alone, enter 0. You can see here, when you enter 0 you can proceed, but if you enter 1 or 2, you can see here, as soon as enter the text and click outside the text. Okay, otherwise it will not change. You can see here, since I entered 2 rows coming up, you can see here 2 rows come up, and I have to fill the details of both the passengers. So in my example, say I have only one passenger along with me. See what are the details. One is the name of the second passenger. Here you should give the name of the second passenger as per his or her ID card. She also should, or he also should have an ID card. Now the relation means second person's ID card usually will have husband's name, or if father's name, whatever it is. So relation name should be as per his or her ID card. Okay, so make sure parent's name or whatever it is in her ID card, son of, daughter of, what is given, the same name you have to give. Okay, make sure that, because it's confusing, there is only relation name. Now again the document, 3 options are there: RT-PCR, vaccination, none. For example, let us see this person have RT-PCR report. I'm just selecting this because I wanted to show you, you should know whether you have to upload the document or not, right? Suppose this person has RT-PCR, whether it's asked for upload. So I just imagine second person has RT-PCR test. Now you have to click this checkbox, about details are true of my knowledge, you have to accept it. Okay, second person, if no RT-PCR or vaccine, you can select none also. I'm just selecting RT-PCR option. I just wanted to show you what are the things it will ask if I select RT-PCR option. That is why. If you select none, again that condition of home isolation will be there. That means second person also has to go under home isolation 7 days. Now you click on above details, I am accepting. Now you have a submit button. You click on submit, wait for some time, you will receive an OTP. You can see here I got an OTP here on top, but there is a you have to enter the OTP and click on submit. You can see here, by shockingly I don't receive any OTP here, because it says to validate your application OTP is dash, no OTP. So don't worry about this. What you have to do is, you have, if you get a message like this without OTP, just click on the submit button. Okay, do not enter any OTP. Very important it is. Again you have to think of this, because you may enter something, it will not take. Just go back there, click on submit. I'm just click on submit without entering anything. See, your pass is ready here. You can see here, pass is ready with your QR code. You can scroll down and verify all the details you have given. It will be correctly there, whatever you have given. In my case I had given like this. And you can see here at the bottom there is a print option also. You can print and take the pass, or you can even take screenshot. I would say print was not working for me, so no need to upload any document. This is another catch. As you can see here, even though RT-PCR for second person was given, there is no need to upload it. And you will also get an SMS like this. Please note this. Okay, this is the SMS I got, and it says successfully submitted with registration number. So please note down this acknowledgement number also. So while crossing the border, you have to carry this pass along with QR code. Soft copy you can take a screenshot, and then your original ID card. If you have RT-PCR or vaccination certificate, take that proof also. Also all the travelers should have original ID card, whatever given online. Thank you so much. If you like the video, kindly share with your friends, and also please subscribe to our